So many professionals are just running away from the typical 9-to-5 job at the office. Especially now during these difficult times where we're in the middle of a global pandemic. Everybody's just trying to run away from the typical 9-to-5 job, and they're trying to find more ways in which they can support their family from the comfort of their own home. What's up, guys? My name is Lydia. Welcome back to my channel where we talk all things about money. We talk a little bit about investing and entrepreneurship. If you enjoy videos like these, go ahead and subscribe and turn your notification bell on. That way you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Now let's just jump right into the 12 highest paying work from home jobs. We live in a world where businesses are being created like every single day. So every single business either needs a website or an app in order to be a reputable business. Especially in this day and age where everything is just online, technology is totally taking over. Coding and programming is a high-paying job that you can do from the comfort of your own home. Now, coding is actually a skill that you will have to develop. Whether you're going to take an online class in coding or learn a programming language, it's a skill that you're going to have to develop. And if you're looking for a high-paying job from home, there's a high possibility that you will actually need a skill in order to get the highest paying work from home job opportunities. There are some amazing coding classes on Udemy. Just check them out if you're interested. The second highest paying work from home job is actually to become a copywriter. The typical pay for a copywriter is actually $1 and upward per word for every single word that you write. Now, to become a copywriter, you might have to take a creative writing course offered by a university. That will make you stand out amongst other applicants whenever you're applying for copywriting work from home position. The third high-paying work from home job is to actually teach online. If you apply on websites like Cambly or Palfish, you do not need a bachelor's degree and no experience is needed. However, if you apply on a website like VIP Kid, a degree is needed in order to teach online. You do not need to know Chinese in order to teach on either of these platforms, but you do have to consider the time difference because it's a totally different time zone in China, so you might be online teaching in some ridiculous hours during the night, so keep that in mind. So if you don't have a bachelor's degree, I highly recommend Palfish or Cambly. However, if you do have a bachelor's degree, you can always check out VIP Kid. Another high-paying work from home opportunity is actually to become a virtual assistant. Now, virtual assistants, they make up to $25 per hour. You can actually market your services on websites such as Upwork. The fifth highest paying work from home job is actually data entry. 3Play Media, Scribe, and Rev are three amazing websites in which you can enter data in order to make money. You can make up to $25 per hour just listening and typing the information that you hear on these websites. All you need is a phone and a computer. Another high-paying work from home job is actually chat support. Now, if you're interested in doing this and you're okay with making $12 to $30 per hour, then you can check out websites such as Mod Squad or Zapier, and I'll link them below. Another high-paying work from home job is actually to become a search engine evaluator. You can check out websites like Lionbridge or Apen. They pay up to $15 per hour. So a search engine evaluator, they're responsible for making sure that whatever you search, the result that comes up is actually relevant to what you searched. Not all the time they'll rely entirely on technology to do this. Oftentimes they need an actual human to evaluate these situations, and that's how a search engine evaluator position comes in. The eighth highest paying work from home job is actually to become a YouTuber. Now, I love talking about this because I'm very passionate about YouTube, so I'll basically include YouTube in almost all my make money videos because I've seen people make millions per year from just doing YouTube. Trust me, I've seen YouTubers make more than doctors and lawyers. Remember, YouTubers don't always make money from only Google AdSense. They can make money from affiliate marketing, sponsorships, selling merch, courses, online coaching, and so much more. Another high-paying work from home job is to actually become a freelancer. Now, if you have a certain skill that you believe is in high demand, you already possess this skill, offer it on websites like Fiverr and Upwork. You can also use marketing strategies to market that skill that you have in order to bring in clients. This can become a full-blown business if you put in the time, the effort, and also if you come up with some smart marketing strategies so you can put your skill out there to other people and potential clients. The 10th highest paying work from home job is actually to become an SEO specialist. Now, again, I'm gonna say this once again, this is a skill that you have to develop. Now, the good thing about this is that becoming an SEO specialist, it is not rocket science. You can actually learn SEO from basic YouTube videos, and I'm not lying. If you're looking for a little bit more structure, I would highly recommend buying a course on Udemy. They're pretty affordable. Companies are actually always seeking SEO specialists because think about it, if they're not ranking in search, then how are potential customers gonna find them? So whenever you rank in search for something, whenever you rank on Google or YouTube for something, that's because of SEO. The keywords that you used in a description or on your website allowed you to rank in search because you know how SEO works. So SEO is mainly about keywords and how you use them, so it's really not that complicated. Now, if you're looking to become a digital marketer, you're gonna use those same digital marketing skills that you have to market yourself in order to get potential clients. Digital marketing is something that I am personally considering because businesses are always in need for a digital marketer. If there's no one available to push their products in front of potential customers, they will not be able to increase the amount of customers that they have. The 12th and final highest paying work from home job is to actually become a translator. So if you're fluent in 2 or more languages, people are always looking for translators. You can make up to $30 per hour just translating, whether it's to translate a document that was written in Spanish to English. This is another field that is in high demand. If you're interested in something like this, check out freelancer.com because I've seen a ton of translator jobs on that website. Now, I'm aware that some of these jobs, they actually require a certain skill set, right? But if you're looking to make the highest possible income from the comfort of your home, there's a high possibility that you will need a skill. Don't be discouraged. Everybody starts from somewhere. The best programmer or copywriter, they started at a point where they didn't know anything about programming and anything about copywriting. So before they were able to make those 6 figures from home, they had to start from somewhere and put the work in. If you're looking to make a decent salary from home, you're gonna need to have a skill set that sets you apart from 90% of the population that's home doing a customer service job and making $9 an hour. If you enjoy videos like these, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't ever miss a video. I will see you in the next one.